Welcome to the Do-It-Yourself Screen Installer Clips. These clips are used to assist in securing and hanging patio, lanai, and garage screens. Reusable and repositionable. Makes alignment of spline screening process much easier. Keeps screen tight and secure as you spline. No more loose or rippled screens. Works with all popular screens, although can be used, not recommended for use on aluminum, bronze, or stainless steel screens. When using ultrafine mesh screens, please take precautions not to damage a screen when using the clips. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to install your patio lanai screen using the amazing patented do-it-yourself screen installer clips. This demonstration will be performed on a 5x7 patio lanai screen. First, position and lay the screen onto the side frame, leaving 1 to 2 inches of screen overhang on all sides. Start by inserting each clip into the spline groove frame as indicated. Follow the order listed here. This has been the best proven method that has been used in keeping the screen taut. Clips 3 and 4. Clips 5, 6, and 7. Clip 8. Line up clip 8 directly below clip 2, keeping the screen taut. Follow the same procedure on the opposite side by inserting clip number 9 directly below clip number 6. Now insert clips 10, 11, 12, and 13 on the left side of the screen. Follow the same procedure on the opposite side by inserting clips 14, 15, 16, and 17. Line up clip number 18 on the bottom center of the screen directly below clip number 4. Now insert clips 19 and 20. Now that the clips are in place, let's start by inserting the spline in and around the spline groove frame. Start at the top left side of the screen frame and work your way across. It is important for you to know that when you spline, insert the left side of the spline with the rounded side facing up. Then roll the spline wheel over the top edge of the spline into the grooved frame. Notice in this process the screen is being pre-rolled down into the spline groove. This makes it easier for the spline to be inserted into the groove. Now go to the bottom frame. Make sure that after you spline that your spline is fully rolled into the spline groove. Roll the spline continuously into the groove using the spline roller tool while making sure that the spline is flat and smooth in appearance. Now let's start on the left side. Now let's finish up by doing the right side. Now that the screen is installed, just cut and trim the screen and your job is complete. It is that easy to do it yourself with the amazing screen installer clips. In this next chapter, I'm going to show you how to install a top panel patio lanai screen. Great for hard to reach areas. Insert the clips around the top edge of the screen frame as shown. Then flip screen up and over the top screen frame. Once the screen is on top, start inserting the remaining clips around the top screen frame. Insert clips on the top screen frame as shown. With the installer clips, it's easier to align the fabric screen to the grooved frame area. With this method, you will never come up short on either end of the screen. The top screen frame has been completed using the revolutionary do-it-yourself screen installer clips. These clips will save you time, effort, and frustration, guaranteed. These 20-pack clips are available in black or silver. These clips are available for purchase on eBay and Amazon. Just search Screen Installer Clips.